In this video I'm going to be replacing the belt tensioner on this 2003 Chevrolet Trailblazer with a 4.2 liter 6-cylinder engine. We're going to be replacing this belt tensioner right here. Alright, I've got my 3/8 inch drive in the tensioner. I've put a box end wrench on it to help with some leverage. So we'll get this belt off. Just slide the belt off the power steering pump here. Okay. Now we'll get the tensioner off. Right, now we'll get this 15mm bolt out of the tensioner. Okay. Alright, the new tensioner is a Duralast AutoZone part. It's 305269. I want to just compare them, make sure they're the same size. Looks like everything's good. I want to point out that there's this pin that sticks out on the back side of the tensioner spring casing. There's a notch right here that this pin is supposed to go in. That way it is sitting flush and there's no way that this tensioner can rotate once it's bolted in. Just going to go ahead and thread the bolt in. I'm going to get it started. And then you can see once I get this tensioner in place in its proper location, it's locked in right there. So we'll go ahead and hand tighten this and then we'll torque it down with our wrench, and then we'll put the belt back on. Okay, so I got it hand tightened. You can see that the pin is in the notch and it's not going to rotate. So now we'll just tighten it down. And I'm just doing it snug. And now we'll put the wrench on it and we'll relieve the tension, and then we'll loop this belt back around where it's supposed to go. If you forget which way the belt's supposed to go, there's a diagram on the fan shroud here that would be helpful. Okay, that's on.